Namaskar. Today we have Swami Brahma Swarupananji, who is Vice Chancellor of Maharishi Vedic University of West Indies, at World Hindu News Hindu Talk Show. Swami Brahma Swarupananji, it's a pleasure to have you at World Hindu News Hindu Talk Show.
Dhanyavad. Yeah. In short, Swami Brahmadeva. That is easy because in the West people they can't pronounce the Swami Brahma Swarupa Nanda. Yeah. But okay.
So Swamiji,
Brahmadev ji, huh.
thank you. My first question to you is the Vedic status worldwide and plan for resurgence in Trinidad Tobago that has a lot of Hindu population.
Yeah.
And what is the overall worldwide view you have on the Vedic literature and the research?
Really, West Indies, Trinidadian people, they are better Indian than the present Indian people. Okay, they have faith, they have love for your our culture, our tradition, our civilization, our festivals, all celebrations. Okay, very with the heart they are doing.
Right.
Here everything going mechanical. Yeah. Okay. So here the about 42% Indian community is the population in Trinidad. So we are in politics, you are in the education, in our agriculture, we are in the all sphere of the life, of the national life.
Right.
Yeah.
Next question, Swamiji, is a lot of times the Vedic philosophy and the Vedic scriptures we have, they come under the attack of leftist and communist writers and researchers in Western countries, and they always try to challenge them and defame them.
Why you are worried? After 70 years, communism word finish. Now, samajik social structure, economical structure, and political thoughts of the communism totally finish. Now is the coming our spiritualism now growing in the whole world. Nature of the 21st century is spiritual. Spiritual but scientific spirituality. Religious science and scientific religion. This synthesis is necessary. In these waves and flow, communism thoughts became weak and weaker and weakest going. No effect on the thought. Only one country, that is Cuba, under the communism, and China totally became capitalist. So why you are thinking about the thoughts? No, all the eastern part of the Europe now totally became the capitalism. So thoughts also day by day going. Our thought was weak due to this communism was stronger in this. Now our thought is become day by day stronger. They automatically will be finished. After this finishing communism is going to down. Okay, wait for time. Everything running like a paradigm shift, like a pendulum of the clock. No,
right.
Now our whole nature of the nation going toward our side.
Glory to Swamiji, thank you for that insightful thought.
Yeah.
And next we have a lot of Vedic organizations are there, institutions worldwide.
Yeah.
Is there some collaboration? We have like Waves conference where all the literature, the news that comes, is put it in a newsletter and send it to worldwide Hindus for information and awareness. Is there some work on the mechanism, or is it existing for Hindus to know what is going on in the Vedic world?
Okay, yeah, that's true. Due to this is conference. This Hindu world, not only Hindu world, whole global world to understand what is a Vedic thought. For this, the first time in the history, East and West are jointly doing the conference. The first step. But in the English I can say, small steps, but for long jump. Yeah?
Right.
Yeah. So next thing, all different organizations of the Vedas, but one thing, root is one, but fruit is different. Okay?
Right.
So we are not worried, but we are trying. How the Arya Samaj alag, separate, Sanatani separate. In Sanatani, many sect in the Vedas movement, but we are trying to come on the scientific basis. I think, and yoga basis, yoga and gyan, these two pillars, it is a prominent pillar to further knowledge. We take it. Take it. India is changing.
Right.
Fastest change in the world, there is India country.
Right.
Yeah, in thought, in the way of life, in the society setup, totally changed. But India has become experiment of the world civilization and culture.
Right.
In Middle East, only one culture doing experiment. In Islam, 2-3 thought doing experiment. Or in India, Mother India doing experiment, Islam doing experiment, Christianity is doing experiment, Communism is doing, Hinduism is doing, every sect, Buddhism is doing, Jainism is doing experiment. After this experiment, they bound to come together, assimilate, the new production will come, that will be a global culture.
Okay.
So for this purpose we are doing. Due to this confusion period, tension period, we are not understand what is a right and what is a wrong. But now many soul is working hard work how to assimilate the all experiment in the one. But India's Mother India lab will be Hindu lab. Then you can experiment of all culture. If that will be other lab,
Right.
Islamic lab, Christian, so all are not free to experiment in this.
A very indeed far-sighted note, Swamiji. Now, Swamiji, from this conference we heard Baba Ramdev ji saying that now Indian government need to empower the Vedic platform, the science research institutions. What is your message to Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi?
Arey, Modi ji is a MP from the Vedic city Banaras. Up till now, Vedic city is a seat of the Vedas. If he will not give attention for the Vedas movement, so he will next time, he will be hero to zero.
Right.
Okay? It is his duty to do something for the Vedas in Kashi.
Thank you, Swamiji. What's
Okay,
your
thank
message
you.
to worldwide Hindus or viewers and subscribers?
Okay.
Any message you have?
A message, this is a, buy the Vedas, keep in the house. Would not understand which language, English, all Veda now English translation. Keep in the Veda, read the Veda. Don't, you are not interested to about the so many mantra. Sarve Bandh Sukhina, Sarve Sant Niramaya. But you read that. Sangachadam Sambadadam. Read this. Understand the meaning. That is enough. That is a seed of the Vedas. Okay.
Thank you, Swamiji,
Okay.
for your pleasurable time and blessings to
Okay,
worldwide
thank you.
Hindus
Thank
and
me in touch.
Hindu organizations.
Ananda, anybody?